Hi guys, so it's the weekend today and we are planning to go to Sernabatin beach, which is also called Colva beach, to spend a night at this place called Sea Rock Resort. There's apparently even a private beach there and it has been around for quite many decades now. So let's see how it all goes and stick around. Walking to the taxi stand now. It's always a pleasure walking through these streets of Majorda. You can see for yourself what I mean.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon.
So it looks like we've reached some place somewhere in the middle of nowhere. We're just following the map and we reached this place that is actually nowhere close to where the resort is. So we're a little confused at this moment. I called up the hotel people. Now I think they'll be sending me a pin on WhatsApp, following which probably will reach the resort. And from what I saw, there's a pretty unconventional way to reach to the resort. So I guess one has to be prepared for that because you cannot access the resort on your four-wheeler or your two-wheeler, I think. So let's see how it is. So we found a pretty alternative route to the resort, one that's not recommended, and we ended up here because we didn't kind of follow through with the hotel after booking. We should have, and then we were supposed to stop at this place in Colva beach, from where we were supposed to be picked up by the people from the hotel, but we didn't do that. We just followed Google Maps and it led us to this place. So this is like one another instance of Google Maps misleading us, but it looks like it has led us through a nicer path, and right there is the beach. So we should be close to the resort now. So let's just get walking. Finally made it to the beach. We almost felt like we're lost. We literally passed through an unpaved road that's not even on Google Maps, but we just continued following the sound of the sea and we've reached. Now the resort lies to our left, so that's where we're headed. That's the place. Finally reached Sea Rock. This is our room. It's quite a big one. It has high ceilings. I simply love this bed, mostly because of these lights. I don't know, I just have a thing for these mosaic lights. And it's a pretty huge room. We paid close to 4,000 for this place, for this room, and it's called the Garden View room. There's also a sea view room which we couldn't get because it was sold out. And the best part is this. The view that you get from the back is almost like a private sit-out area. This place is like a tropical dream come true. We have this swaying coconut trees right above us with all of these coconuts. Then to our right we have the beach. That guy right there, I know that's going to run the whole show. Look at him, how much character he has on that face. And that's it for the room. Now let's head out to the beach and see how this area looks. One of the many nice things about Sea Rock Resort was its location. There were no other shacks or resorts or hotels anywhere near it, so you had the privacy of the beach and the surrounding areas all to yourself.